is just around the corner. Hallelujah! So it's time to think about some warm weather recipe essentials. Registered dietitian Liz Weiss joins us from her home kitchen to show us some cool ways to beat the heat. Hey, Liz!
Hey, Anna. Well, I'm kicking off summer with 2 recipes to beat the heat. The first is a quinoa basil salad with sweet and juicy California strawberries. And the second are these strawberry cereal milk pops made with A2 milk. They are perfect for the kids and the adults in your life. So what are you making?
Those both look delicious, Liz. Well, I am so excited because we're making my favorite dessert as a child, red porridge, or if you have friends in Denmark, you might know it as mongolbøffe. And the ingredients are simple. It's just fresh strawberries, a little granulated sugar, a touch of cornstarch, the zest and juice from 1 lemon, and at the end, a splash of A2 pulver.
You know, A2 is 100% real dairy. It comes from local U.S. farms and from cows that produce the A2 protein. And as a registered dietitian, I love that A2 milk is easier on digestion. Now, when my boys were young, I don't know about your kids, but my boys at breakfast would love to drink the milk that was left over at the bottom of their cereal bowls. And so for this recipe, I actually took the A2 milk and I steeped it in cereal. So lots of memory flavors coming through in these pops.
That is so fun. That's such a throwback to watching Saturday morning cartoons, slurping on the milk.
Milk Wars, the legend continues.
So my quinoa salad is great for summer cookouts and picnics. It is so easy to make. All you need is cooked quinoa, and to this, we're going to add some olive oil and pan-fried basil leaves. You can add feta cheese, this is optional, and shelled pistachios. You gotta get some crunch in there, right? And then of course the star ingredient, sliced California strawberries. Now check this out, Anna. 1 serving of about 8 strawberries has less sugar than an apple, half the calories of a banana, and as much vitamin C that you'll find in an orange. And you know what? That's all the vitamin C you need in an entire day. And you know, strawberries are also packed with fiber and potassium and antioxidants. So I say, bring on the berries.
This smells so good. And maybe the most important tip with this recipe is taste as you go. The strawberries being in season like this are naturally so sweet.
Sweet strawberries, a cold glass of milk. Anna, that is my kind of way to celebrate summer. It's been fun cooking with you.
I know, right? I can't wait to do it again. Bye.